Radio and Electronics Workbench. Today on the bench we have a simple 40 channel AM radio for mobile, the Sears RoadTalker 40, and they made a lot of different kinds of these. This is the 1978 Sam's version. This Sam's came out in 1978 for this one, so I suppose it came out within a year or two of 77, 78. It is model 934.3808170, and I have the Sam's pulled for it. I'm going to do a switch cleaning, pot cleaning, and a little bit of an alignment cleaning, and we're going to clean the switch in the microphone. So let's turn her on. It is working. It is sort of working. I can sometimes hear it. Something's going on with it. It kind of blips in and out. Not sure what's going on with it yet. It's a little bit intermittent. See, it went away again. We'll have to investigate that. I'm going to pull the covers and see what's going on with it. It does have transmit audio. It does have transmit audio. So let's do that. Let's pull the covers and see what we got here. Get back to my page here. Alright, I'll just put this over here so I can see the alignment procedure, which I won't have to do much of. We'll just go through it like we go through all of these guys, and I'm not going to bore you with the disassembly. I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, I got the covers off, and I've been fiddling around with this guy, and I think I found the receive intermittent problem. We have what you'd call here a broken wire somewhere in here. Not sure how I'm going to deal with that yet. Might have to replace this cord. See how crazy that is. That's going to take a bit. So I'm going to go do that. All right, I got the back of this thing off, and I'm pretty sure that the problem lies right inside this cord. Now the question is, do I have a cord in my stuff that I can replace this with? Because some of these are really tough. That plug right there could be a problem. I might have to replace that as well. So let me see what kind of stuff I got in my boneyard, and we'll see if we can't take care of this microphone situation for him. Okay, I found the mic cord. Found a mic cord, and I'm attempting to test the continuity of this old mic cord out of the bulletin box. That looks good. The red one looks good. I think, hope. Yeah, that's good. Get my hands on it. And the audio looks pretty good. I need 3 hands for this. Okay, it looks okay. So we're going to put this microcord onto all of this junk that I got pulled off of here, and I'm going to do this off camera, and I'll let you know when I got her getting closer. Okay, we're soldering the mic cord onto the switch here. Got some of the wires in there. just need to get this guy, this ground wire. Just kind of hook these together. This was all open on the inside, so it's not going to make that much difference. I'll just kind of hook it together here and see if I can get the wires to stay in one place so I can okay, that's that end. Now let's see if I can get the guts back into the get this to all fit back in there again. Just like that. And this might have went like this. Something like that. That went back in there like that. These guys kind of poke down in here somewhere. This goes there. That. That looks like that goes back in there like that. Let's hope we got it the first time. Yep. And I just love doing dins. They are so much fun. Okay, now what we have here is replacing the din. Got a fairly new one here, so we're gonna this guy out like that. Try to get him to go into the inside this goofy thing. There we go. And then this guy comes apart, goes there. The key goes on that side. and it flies to the floor. Ugh. Just wonderful stuff. Okay. And we got to put this onto the this up a little bit. Let's clean it up a little bit. I can fight with it. Some new solder on here. Okay, that is what I want there, and then the next one is the audio. Yep, okay. I'll get back with you when I get this. These are fiddly. Okay, had to get out the third hand for that one. The old vise helped me get that done. I saved you from listening to me cry about these dang DIN connectors. They're just something I cry about. Okay, now let's see if we can get this part back on. Goes on there like that. And this guy crimps on there like this. This goes over that half, like so, and then grab this key here and we put it in the right place. That, and you push it together. It goes click like that. Once it goes click, it's in there. All right, let's try it. All right. That was a little painful. Audio. Looks pretty good. It's a little bit off frequency. But we have no more intermittent. Transmit receive is good. I cleaned the switch. And that takes care of the intermittent receive. Everything else goes in the garbage. Now we can get back to the radio. There isn't much to be done on this. Receive sensitivity seems to be fine. Yeah, it's pretty good. Squelch is working. Something here. Oh yeah, we got lights. Yeah, the lights are all good. See that? too bright in here to see the lights. Okay, I just need to put this thing back on frequency. Okay, we'll do the frequency alignment there. I got you so you can sort of see the counter. Keying it up. We want to adjust this for 185. There we go. It's got that one good. Okay, let's go back to the receiver again. And let's see if I can find the rest of these test points here. Okay, I got the receiver peaked. Didn't have to really mess with any of the other ones. Had to take a look, see which ones are there. And now I gotta check S9. So we're up on S9. I've got to set the meter. It's about S7 here. I know I'm not going to be able to show you this too well. Not going to be able to show you, but it's going to be one of these back here. And there's a huge wiring harness on top of it. Set that for S9. Now we set the transmit meter. It's looking at 4 watts. RF is set at there. Let's tip this one up. This meter's getting a little weak, so put that up there about there. All right, now the meter looks like it's supposed to. No, I can't show you a lot of this stuff because I don't have the right camera angles for it. Just have to take my word for it. Okay, I think we're good. The radio is ready. All I have to do is I'm going to shoot these potentiometers. Bang, bang. Give these a little squirtsies. Yep, this is a pretty easy one. I mean, it was the mic cord was probably why this thing went out of service a long time ago. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's all we gotta do. I'm gonna put the bottom cover back on. We're gonna flip this back over. Watch things fall on the floor. Okay. So this radio has no adjustment for the AMC, so we're going to have to just do a spot check. Okay. That one goes there, that one goes there. Okay. So that is what you get on this radio stock. I could probably find the mod limiter and pull it, but I don't think the customer wants me to do that. So we're just going to leave that the way it is. Modulation looks good. Okay, I got the analyzer on. Take a look at this one. And the usual, it looks very good. So we have the center frequency, second harmonic at 54 megahertz. It's down 65 dB, 60 dB, 50 dB, so 80, 25, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 dB down. That's good. That's within spec. So that's what I usually want to see. Nothing else out of the ordinary. Looks good. Okay. The radio is back on its face again. And I don't know if you can see the front. There we go. It's a little dim, probably to the camera. It looks fine here. The transmit light works. That works. Looks like the audio alert works. That SWR alert works. The SWCAL is fine. So I'm going to put the cover back on here. And I'm going to put it on the air and see what it sounds like on the air. And I'll do that right kapout now. Okay, covers are back on. Got the antenna hooked up to it. Got a lot of DX in today again, as normal.
Oh my God, listen to this shit, dude. My brother-in-law one time was rolling down Highway 3, coming around the bend there. Going,
A lot of people like these RoadTalkers. They were very popular back in the 80s and 90s, especially in the 80s. They really built them with high quality parts. I suppose it could use to be recapped since it was built in 1978. But that's an expense probably he won't want to do at this point. Maybe he'll want to do it himself. I'll leave it up to him. Here's our local channel. Alright, that's good. Can't listen to the sidebanders, but might be somebody hanging up here. Somebody hanging there. Channel 20. No, you can't see the selector. It's pretty dim to the camera, but it looks okay here. So I got real bright lights. Makes everything look dim. So, okay. Well, this one was a successful repair of a really old radio. Yeah, okay, there. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I'm gonna sign off for the next one. God bless. Hope you and yours do well. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.